Have you ever wondered how long it actually takes for a person to go from start to finish in the cremation process? I know, it's a question that sits at the intersection of curiosity and respect. And today, I'm going to walk you through the real cremation timeline, step by step. So let's start right at the beginning. After someone passes away, there's a waiting period. This is usually a legal requirement, often 24 to 48 hours, to allow for paperwork, identification, and sometimes for family to say their last goodbyes. Only after this, and once all authorizations are in place, does the actual process begin. Now, to the heart of it, the cremation itself. The body is placed in a special industrial-strength chamber called a cremator. This chamber gets incredibly hot. Think 1400 to 1800 degrees Fahrenheit. Once inside, the process takes about 1.5 to 2 hours for most adults. But here's the thing. The exact time depends on several factors. Body size matters. A larger body takes longer to cremate than a smaller one. The type of casket or container used can also affect timing. Simple, combustible containers burn quicker, while heavier, more ornate caskets may slow things down. Even the cremator itself makes a difference. Newer, high-efficiency machines are sometimes a little faster. Once the cremation is complete, the remains aren't yet the fine ashes you might expect. What's left are actually bone fragments. These need to cool down for about 30 minutes to an hour. After cooling, the fragments are processed, basically ground down, into the powdery ashes we're familiar with. This step usually takes another 10 to 20 minutes. So, if you're doing the math, the actual transformation from body to ashes inside the chamber takes anywhere from 1.5 to 2 hours. Add in cooling and processing, and you're looking at around 2.5 to 3 hours start to finish. But remember, when you include the paperwork, waiting periods, and family arrangements, the whole journey from passing to receiving the urn can take several days. It's a process rooted in both science and ceremony, with timing that reflects the need for care and dignity. Next time you hear someone ask, "How long does cremation take?" you'll know it's more than just minutes and hours. It's a blend of respect, procedure, and a little bit of science. Thanks for joining me on this thoughtful look at the real cremation timeline. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more answers to questions you didn't even know you had.